Stop editing like a beginner. Do this instead.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Orinayo. I'm a video editor and a videographer. Welcome. So I'll be teaching you a few things.
Welcome to the Video Editors Magazine, where you learn how to edit like a pro, beginner editing tips, CapCut edit, make cinematic edit, all that for this 10-week course, which is this 10-week course beginning today. So today being week 1, we're going to be talking majorly about beginner editing tips. And the first mistake people make in their edits is too much silence. Too much silence. Cut it out. Cut out the silence. I'm going to show you. You see here, right here.
So this is the difference between clip before I edited the intro and after I edited.
Secondly, don't overuse transitions. Too much of transitions make your clip boring, and transitions actually make viewers engage in videos. But when there are too much of transitions, people will just swipe away from your clip. Yes, people swipe away from your clip due to too much of transitions. For your videos, let there be captions in your videos. Captions brings out what you're saying and makes what you're also saying readable and also understandable.
This is the auto captions icon in CapCut.
Now, this one is a very important part. People make that mistake. It's a very, very great issue. Bad audio ruins your video. If you don't know that, bad audio ruins your video. I've watched a tutorial on YouTube, but I downloaded a video. I didn't actually watch it immediately, but I downloaded the video. It's a tutorial about render forest, but the audio was trying cracking some parts, but I didn't hear that word. But I still didn't delete it. But I had the motive to do it, but I didn't, because I knew that there might be actually some information in that video. But due to the fact that the audio is bad, it actually made some people not to like the video. Some people even commented on that video. You can't understand. Always make use of fast cuts for shorts. I'm talking about basically for shorts, 30 seconds video, 10 seconds, 15 seconds video, 1 minute video. Make use basically of fast cuts. Remove boring parts. If you really get anything from this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for the Video Editors Magazine, which I'll be releasing every Sunday by 9 p.m.